nice one. Anyway, congratulations.
My father, congratulations for my show. Congratulations.
For my show, congratulations. For I Laugh with Abbey, congratulations. For you, where go come?
Congratulations.
Abbey, if they just want to buy tickets, where do you buy tickets?
Now you can get your ticket at www.ariatickets.
No, wait me that one. No, we just want buy and see our ticket. We not just want pay. Then
No, you know, plenty people don't do internet now.
So if you either buy that for that one or you buy
ariaticket.com.
or the girl now they call www.can'tq as in number Q as in alphabet Q.
Okay, can't queue.
Can't queue for number 4 tickets. That's can't queue for ticket. I can't queue for ticket.
People are fake. So
Can't queue for ticket.com or just come venue that day early, chap. Make your ticket. I with me for the venue.
Are you with me? Now we are with you.
Or go to another sweet sensation for Awolowo Road, Ikoyi, the one for Surulere, yes, sensation, and the one for Adeola Odeku. Those three can get it.
Katim, for your brothers and sisters, tell them for your language.
okay, so I'm going to me. Translation purpose so I move the ministry in some forward so now so show mommy and be this Saturday my cow my young already boyfriend show for what time 5 p.m.
4 p.m. red carpet 4 p.m.
so 4 p.m. by that time we said
red carpet dress well control yourself
so
paparazzi plenty
get them dia them dia make from dia send from adi year from there for that kiss I have for man by 4 p.m.
don't fold that kiss out
I'm get ticket
that one where talk now intend them for talk again I agree
so now I'm going to go so my son is the phone for me. I thought that I tweak. Whatever you are ticket right there.
Ajip.
You take a million. Okay, Ajip. So now go over Ayip all. So I had a some Ayip all. Forget the ticket for Kanwa. I'm about for 5,000.
Even deal day, they sell it on deal day.
It deal day too.
So man, I forget the ticket for
and it's cheaper in deal days.
I'm market that day. Show the CP to pay that day. Who will find me bad now? You can do right there. CP to pay that day. I could find me and you didn't tell say that man.
Files will be there too. Files will be there.
Need me say Yabaro. The is a bit of the living and beyond.
Rugged man will be there too.
Files all and all. Rocket man files left and right, up and down.
Scales will be there too. And Blackie will be there too.
And Blackie come
on. And the one where the one where I see they wait for Style Plus. Style Plus. Go there. Now,
don't give me belly.
Now, for the professors out there, we understand your English.
Okay.
Pass the information to them.
Ladies and excuse gentlemen, are you with me? In this gathering of conglomerate that will be involved in some hilarious flow of hilarious congestion, we'll have people, the likes of Skills, giving us some sonorous vocalized inflow of rhythmic do re mi fa sol. Are you with me? We have the likes of Skills, we have the likes of Ransome.
Ransom the handsome.
Are you with me? Ransom the handsome.
Local boy.
We have the likes of Style Plus. We have we have the likes of who did I mention last time again? We have Blackie coming to do some wonderful.
Can I have a dance?
Oscar. Then we have the likes of what's this this boy was it? If there's one special package that we don't want to bring up, but I might just expose it to you small. Yes, because it's going to come. No, let me expose it. It's a special package is going to wow us that day. Then we have some other female raga musicians that will come and collaborate us. We have Hele Modu that was coming to give us some.
Hele Modu, nice girl. You know that girl?
Wonderful raga departmental behavior.
No, you failed the Hele Modu.
No.
There's one that we call Meshwa. To Meshwa, she's come to give us some. You know Meshwa. You know, forget. She does not smoke anything minus candle and all those things. Because she cannot smoke. It go on fireworks and the exhaust pipe. So just take candle and she's okay.
So and the most important of them all, I don't get bored. It's a and see animals.
Yo,
You know,
you just those things will be around. Yeah, point and key, choose your choice, pay the money and feel free.
Now, Ransome, what's day in the works for you? What make your fans they expect from you?
Make una expect more better music.
Local music.
Better jams, local. If you dey expect make I come into shop, they do expect more Igbo language. Expect more pidgin coming from me. Expect more street. Expect it raw.
Now, for those who want to follow you on top Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, where they go follow you?
They go
can follow me.
car park, enter taxi, then go straight.
MC Abbey.
They have to go to the nearest bus stop.
I cannot deal with you. My God.
I believe.
I don't know.
Okay. You can follow me on Twitter at handsome_Ransome. Handsome. HANSOME.
Do you know they for the handsome?
Ransome. Do you know they for the handsome?
Okay.
Then on Instagram at ransomemay5. Just follow me.
Okay.
Let me know. Make a follow back. Holla at your boy.
Holla at your boy! Abbey, for those who want to follow you for everywhere.
You want to follow me? Okay, if you want to follow me, just make sure you follow me well because I'm ready to be followed, right? And I didn't tell you again, Nikolai also will be there.
Yeah, Nikolai will be there.
And Henry Soul, right? And the other guy that I wanted to let out of the cat, I'll say his Harry Song too. Harry
Song.
Harry Song.
Harry Song. We have Henry Soul and Harry Song.
Harry Song.
Yeah, it's going to be killer.
So about the yin and yang.
To follow me on Twitter.
To heaven and beyond.
And let's stay heaven. Let's not go beyond heaven again. To follow me, you just go MC Abbey 1, as in number 1.
MC Abbey 1.
Yes, that's
For Twitter,
yeah.
and the Instagram.
Instagram is a distance of difference. For Instagram, you follow me and it's MC Abbey the Prof. That's DA the Prof. PROF. Yeah,
Okay.
the Prof.
Okay.
You don't step MC
Anyway,
Abbey.
double toilet to MC Abbey, double toilet to Handsome, the Ransome.
Yeah.
On Saturday, I laugh with MC Abbey, Muson Centre. I beg go buy your ticket. We go use the video of local boy.
Yes.
Take come up for A-Side Studio. Till tomorrow,
Yes.
Ona, good night.
Bye.